is it compulsory that the Imam should recite the complete Qur'an in the nights of Ramadan in Taraweeh? Is it necessary that the followers should listen to the whole of the Qur'an in Taraweeh? So two parts of the question.
There is no hadith in which the Prophet has mentioned or in Sahaba that it is compulsory to recite the full Quran. It is preferable, it is mustahab. It's better because, if you recite as much as the Quran in the month of Ramadan, it's good for you. So many people may not be reciting at home. So at least during the Qiyamul Layl in Ramadan, the people at least listen to the Quran. So it's preferable, it's not a fard. But naturally, if it's recited in the Qiyamul Layl, it's obligatory for the muttadi, for the people praying behind to listen. But it's not a fard that you should recite the full Quran. But most of the mosques, majority of the mosques, complete the Quran because it's good, mashallah. There are some mosques which I know that it becomes difficult for people to listen because, if you have to recite the full Quran, the full month of Ramadan, it is about 1 juz a day, somewhere close to that. And it becomes difficult. So there are some mosques which pray half juz on average. So they finish half the Quran in the full month of Ramadan. Next Ramadan, they finish the next half. All is acceptable, but it's preferable to finish the full Quran, unless you know that there are small children and they cannot offer. So 1 or 2 mosques have it, alhamdulillah, no problem. But preferable to finish the full Quran, but it's not compulsory.